Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a solution PY program that can handle variants of our initial problem. We added code to identify the sign of the formula by writing an if statement for each sign. We have 4 potential signs. Today I will show you how to rewrite the block of 5 if statements such that the code is easier to type and read. I will start by creating a list of potential f signs. And I will call it potential formula signs. It's equal, and I will put them in the order I already have them in the code. It's larger than, smaller than, equal, larger than or equal, smaller than or equal. Then I will use a for loop to execute the if statement. So I will say for potential f sign in potential f signs, colon, I will indent with 2 spaces, and I will say if potential f sign in formula, then, so I put a colon, we have f sign, it's equal potential f sign. And then I will delete the if statements. So let's take a look at the code. What we have, we will pick in this order a potential sign from the list, and we will check if that potential sign is in the formula. Then we will set up formula sign as that potential sign. Okay, I will save the program and run the 4 tests we already have. So we have, this one is the first one. Then the second one is this one, it passed. This is the third one, passing also, and the last one. So all tests passed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.